Welcome back to the workshop, Handyman. We haven't been doing a whole lot of videos out here lately in the woodworking shop. We've been a little bit busy. It's been a little bit hot. I am in South Carolina, and in South Carolina, the not insulated well. And today's a cooler day, so I'm going to go ahead and see if we can get a little maintenance work done. It's only 93 in here. It's been about 99 degrees in the old shop and very humid. So, and coming back out here and looking around a little bit, today I decided that I needed to do something. I was looking at my saws, and the humidity and everything has kind of been putting some rust on these things. So you can see I've played around a little bit with it. I've got out online and I was trying to figure out the best way to do it. I usually do wax mine to keep a whole lot of the rust off. But what I guess I found everybody recommending is this T-9. It comes as a little kit. This one here, rust protection. We got to use that. Rust and stain remover. And then this one here is for your saw blades. And that all comes as a little kit. So I figured, well, I'll go ahead and give it a shot. So I put the rust-free protector on there, and we're just doing the joiner right now. And as you see, it's I don't know how well you can tell it, but you can see there's rust spots a little bit just from the humidity and everything in here. So I'm going to try to clean that up, and I sprayed it on there, and I've scrubbed it a couple times, and I don't know, you can still see it's got a little bit of pitting to it, but it's a whole lot better than up here where I haven't done it. And it's amazing how much dirtier that looks. And then you can see up underneath the cover where I don't ever get probably the waxing the way I should. It's kind of like that. So I think it's a good improvement. I think we're going to go ahead and do that to the joiner, and then we'll probably go ahead and move on over to the bandsaw. Has a cast iron table on it. This one doesn't look too bad, but you can start seeing a little bit in there too. So we're going to try to protect that. And the table saw has cast iron, and we're going to try to do that one also, because it definitely has some spots on it that I want to try to get out of there. Now they do say they use the Scotch Brite pad on this, but I don't have one of those, so I am trying to do it with a little bit of steel wool. I might try to do a little bit today and then see if I can pick up some Scotch Brite pads and see if they work a little bit better. But anyway, so it looks like it's going to help out a bunch. Like I say, I don't see it getting rid of all of it. Maybe Scotch Brite pad will do a little bit more. We'll see, but we'll catch y'all up on the next video, probably on that. We're going to go around the shop and kind of update everybody on what I've done in the shop in last year. Probably on the next video. So we'll see how that works. We'll finish this off and see how she looks. Appreciate you checking me out, and we'll see what it looks like. Thanks.